YouTube? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 12. As y'all can see, I got a visitor who ain't never up in the camera.
This thing, man. I just had to show my presence today. I said, man, I know y'all miss me, man. You know what I'm saying? I bring the energy, you know what I'm saying? So I just said I have to be here. We got a special thing that we doing. We're putting up a balance bike for my son for Christmas. We had to do it. Of course, he sleeps late at night, so we're trying to do a little wrapping gifts or putting stuff up. So it's my turn. Put stuff together as always. So at least I ain't got to do that much stuff this year, so I'm kind of happy about that.
All right, let's go ahead and get this. Y'all, I cannot believe it's really 2 weeks left until Christmas. 14 days, okay? Really 14 days. And I haven't wrapped anything. And if you know me, you know I do not wrap gifts. But I do have gift bags that I plan on putting up under the tree in the next couple of days. And I will be filming that.
Let's see what we got.
Supposed to make sure that the part was that way.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on, really good glass.
I ordered this from Target, y'all. It was on sale for $50. I think it was regular price like $90. It's just a little balance bike. So if you know about a balance bike, you know it does not have any pedals. It's to keep, have the child to
balance on the bike.
Yeah, balance on the bike. So let me see what it says. It enhances motor skills. It's a perfect size and it's very convenient to carry. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him put this together. I'm gonna be here assisting because
I forgot my blade. Hold on, I'll be back.
Alright, he be back. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to do dinner. Got steak and shake. Got this steak burger and some fries. Then we're gonna
got it. I love to walk. Hey, what's up? You know what I'm saying? I love to walk tools.
Alright, I'm trying to not allow this to be a voiceover. So you're gonna hear us talk a little bit. It's gonna speed up, talk a little bit. Nothing good we can talk about. So just let you go ahead and sit back.
So this is for the seat.
This is one tire. We got the handlebars. Y'all, we were so scared when this came in the mail. I was like, babe, I think that's the what I said? I said, I think that's the bike. You supposed to know. That box was way too little to be a bike.
Way too little to be a bike. But I didn't think I had to put it all the way together either. Shit. God damn. I gotta put it all the way together, y'all. Hey, it's gonna be a journey. I'll tell you that. I wasn't expecting all this.
But this only thing you gotta put together.
But I ain't gonna lie, I worked at a job for 6 years. I worked in retail, so I know how to put some stuff together. I ain't gonna lie about that. I mean, sometimes it takes time and skill. But hey, one thing about it, the job will get done. So I take everything out of the bag. At least you can't help with that. You ain't gonna help with nothing else.
Oh, y'all. I don't even know what to say. I ain't got nothing to say.
I know what to say. Nothing.
Anyways, are you ready for Christmas?
It's my favorite time of the year. Christmas time.
It's so crazy, y'all, because I think I should already share with y'all on another vlog. We don't know what these kids got. And when I be saying kids, I know, like, you know, of course I have my daughter, we have, and our son, and we also be having my niece Caitlin. She comes.
Okay, Kay.
So he don't be knowing what these kids got. He probably can't name one thing that they got. Name one thing that I told you that they got.
I just know you're doing the 5S. You know that.
A 5S?
What you doing? I think 5S, so you said something you're doing with the kids.
What's a 5S, y'all?
I don't know. I think something you said you was like, what you said? You was
A 5S?
I don't know.
What is that? Is that like an electronic device?
Nah, that's some stuff at work. I'm tripping.
Oh.
You got a 5S board. I'm tripping, man. Think about work.
Anywho. This is the
Well, I know you said you getting him something. I forgot. Getting him something.
He don't know, y'all. He don't know. These are the instructions. So this bike is really, really little. So he's gonna be kind of like pedaling in it. Like, I don't know. It's gonna help him out a lot.
Ain't got no screws and shit. Well, shit just got there. Oh, this shit. Oh, I bad y'all. This shit about to be easy. This shit
It's
just
gonna be easy, right?
Look, I done got my. Okay, you see it, DeWalt again. You know what I'm saying? And I got my big old. You know what I'm saying? My toolbox and everything. Only thing I really needed was this.
Oh, yeah, I could have did this because you see these little things on the side. You see those? So it's just wow. Yeah, I probably could. Y'all would have saw me struggling doing this. I ain't even gonna sit there and lie. Cause one time I put up a
Hi. It's already.
I put up what I put up, baby. I put up wrong. Ashton Walker.
Man, yeah. Man, dude got in that thing, y'all. Hey, shit, he fell right through that motherfucker, too. I ain't gonna lie. It was a struggle. Dang, I lost.
Look, he don't know how to put it together. You okay?
Yeah, let me get this. I think I need this.
He was gonna blame me, y'all.
Oh, you already know.
I like the colors, though. You know, real cutesy, real nude. I like black. So I don't think he can bust these tires, can he?
No, these are styrofoam.
Yeah, he can't see. Look at that. So what you were saying? You think you know something that we got? I got the kids.
Yeah.
What?
Oop, wrong thing. Let's see right here.
Yeah, I was gonna say that look more for like the seed. You know what? People in the comments did say if this was easy to put together. I didn't think it was this easy. Dang, I wish I would have watched me struggle to do this. I'd have made this man stay home and everything. He couldn't go out with the homies today. So put the bike together.
Put the bike together, y'all. Oh, that's the wrong way.
I was gonna say, like, that's odd looking.
No, hold on. This way.
No, wrong
This
way.
way?
Yeah. See?
Yeah, this looks better.
Yeah, he gonna love it. This thing is so tiny. But the seat is just high, so that's really gonna be important. Did you see how high they got the seat up? On here?
Yeah.
So you probably want to raise it up a little bit.
Anything.
Oh, shit, my bad. You got them a little balance bite. Yeah, y'all, so as y'all can hear, this man don't know nothing. He's really trying to make up in his head what he think they got. Y'all, all day, all I keep saying is 14 more days to Christmas. That's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. Christmas, I swear, did not come this fast when I was a kid. It took forever. Forever. Then I used to come fall asleep. I don't know how these new kids fall asleep. They go to sleep and they don't get up in the morning. We used to be up at like, what, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning trying to get our Christmas stuff. BSA, these new, they do not be up. But he be up. He don't never be up early like any other day. But come Christmas Day, he up before me. He used to wake us up every Christmas at 7 in the morning.
I see me just struggle with this little thing. I ain't gonna lie, I got me for a second. But I got it.
7 a.m. y'all. He wake me up at 7 a.m. and he be like, I'm finna he be like, time to eat. I'm like, Dave, wake us up when you done cooking. He be like, no, it's already done. We wake up to scrambled eggs, grits, bacon, sausage, and a biscuit.
I don't eat everything.
Cause he be cooking too early. He told me like he can't sleep. Why you can't sleep? But he be the first one to take a nap though on Christmas Day.
That's what I did wrong, y'all.
What you do wrong?
Go to the back.
They can't hear you.
You go to the back. So I put this on the wrong way. So I got a clamp on this side. So one thing I gotta do is take it off.
Yeah, I'm filming these Vlogmas and I tried to be 2 days ahead and I kind of lost that one day. So now like I'm always recording the day before and then editing all night. I'm up to like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:30 in the morning the latest. Still gotta get up with these kids for school and go to work. Can you talk about hustle?
Motivation.
It's motivation, y'all. Don't give up. If I ain't giving up, can't nobody give up. No matter what you do in life, don't give up on anything. I really didn't expect this bike to be so simple.
It is, y'all. I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, move this little seat up a little bit.
That's all we got right there.
That's all you got.
I put the highest right there.
Because when I looked at it, it did say it was for ages, it said up to ages 5. Yeah, it says age specified 2 to 5 and actually just turned 4. He is a little bit tall, but I can see him just riding around, just scooting with his feet.
Yeah.
He gonna be gone.
That is y'all.
All right.
So weird.
Let me. This is cute, y'all. I just like how simple it was. Okay.
It was simple.
This is real simple.
I thought I seen all the parts. I'm like, damn, but that shit just really clicked together.
Right. This is cute. I'm gonna hide this. He don't be going to your closet. Did he buy your man cave closet?
Yeah, he be going.
Here you go. Okay, so because he don't go in the bedroom closet. So I'm gonna have this in our bedroom closet. I got some gifts in there that I will be filming, be making that up as well. So yeah, I don't have nothing else. I really thought that this would be longer. So, but I'm kind of happy because this shouldn't take me that long to edit. But thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Look out for Vlogmas Day 13, y'all. Like we really getting through there. Okay. Thanks y'all for sticking by.
Man, I want to see people put in the comments that you know, like a clean off. You know what I'm saying?
A clean off.
Yeah. Oh dang, I gotta put this. I forgot about this, y'all.
So I forgot because he let me end this vlog for no reason. I forgot. So he said he want us to do a vlog where both of us, he do some of the stuff that I do, and he want to see who could do it better. He want to see who can do laundry better.
They always say, man, over there, man.
Who can clean it?
Do nothing.
Who can clean the kitchen better? Who can clean the bathroom better? I've never seen him clean the bathroom.
I've been cleaning since I started cleaning young. Cause I was inspired by my brothers and they was using me to clean for them, but I didn't know no better. So, but I always did a good job. So.
I've been with this man so long. The only time I ever seen him clean the bathroom up was near, I guess when I was like near the end of my pregnancy, last trimester when I was pregnant with Aubrey.
Yeah.
Other than that, I ain't seen him clean no bathroom. So I'm curious to how he gonna clean the bathroom better than me. So y'all let us know in the comments. Should we do a clean out to see who could do better laundry, who can clean the bathroom better, who can clean the kitchen better. Because last time I see it,
all my men out there, hey, we gonna, I'm gonna win for y'all. I do it for y'all. You feel what I'm saying?
He'll clean the kitchen up, y'all, and it won't even smell like it because he gonna wipe the counters down with the dish rag that don't have none of my multi-purpose spray scents that be like lavender. So how you like? Not only do it has to look good, it gotta smell good. Okay. It can't be smell like no dish Dawn soap.
We'll see.
Yeah. So, anyways, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Continue watching. I appreciate y'all for the little views I do get. I appreciate it. Can y'all just start commenting or something, saying little stuff or whatever? But look out for Vlogmas Day 13. All right, y'all. Bye.
I ain't finished yet.
Oh.
You know, sometimes, you know, take a little long, baby. You know what I'm saying, baby? You know. We couldn't end it without it just being complete.
I know y'all gonna be like,
that
she
is,
don't
sorry,
end this vlog. Like,
that is. Peace, y'all. Please like and subscribe.
Third time. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Turn on notification bells on. All right.